one of my favorite things to do with tapping, it's so much fun to do this, and I have, it's in the book, is tapping on your cravings. So let's imagine, okay, one of mine these days is like white cheddar popcorn, although actually that's not really anymore. Let's try to think. Who's got, I've kind of outgrown that one, but who's got a good binge food?
Dove dark chocolate.
Oh, okay, dark chocolate, that's good. Okay.
Dove
Dove dark
Dark chocolate. Okay, how strong, Suze?
Every day, but I just haven't bought it in the last couple of days to just kind of, but then I bought bark instead, so
Oh, that bark is a killer.
it is killer. It
Yeah.
has to be removed from the house.
Yes, yeah, that does
It really
happen.
does.
You know, the one that I had the other day, Forager, I'm gonna name names, Forager. Yeah, this was like, these chips that were, they're the byproduct of juicing, so they're like vegetable chips where they take the beet pulp and the spinach pulp and the kale pulp, and they dry it and they press it into chips, and then they put like torula yeast and paprika and like, I mean, barbecue flavor and rancho grande flavor and, oh man.
Where do you get these from?
Well, this was, I got this at,
In her bag.
I got this at the store in Crestone where I live. There's a little health food store there, but I'm sure you can find it at all those.
You have to give us the link.
Well, it was, I plowed through the whole bag the other day, man. It was, you know, they really get you like, oh, vegetables. And forget it, who are they kidding? So one of the fun things I like to do with tapping is like, let's say the Dove dark chocolate, right? Like you take a binge food, you put it in front of you, and you really let yourself have that craving. You know, food craving is connected to the fight or flight response. So it's a real limbic brain issue. So you put it in front of you, you smell it, look at her. Smell it, you know, really look at it, get really intimate with it, you know, and ideally you want to actually activate your craving. And then feel it to heal it. So then you start, even though I am craving this Dove dark chocolate, I deeply love and accept myself. And you tap. And in that tapping, what I like to do is ask myself the question, what is it that I'm really hungry for? You know, you tap on the intensity of the craving. And then, okay, what is it that I really want? You know, with chocolate, maybe it's love, maybe it's comfort, maybe it's reassurance, etc. So you can kind of play with it. And then see, you know, after a round of tapping, see where you're at with it. I would say like 8.5 times out of 10, people end up just throwing it in the trash.